Take a peek at this beautiful TRX we just got in. If you're in the market for one, don't miss this beautiful truck. The body is in great shape and it runs amazing. Call Ely if you are looking for this beauty. Comment below and he will post his number for you to reach him.
NBA, block 'em out of the phone. I'm breaking hearts and I put 'em in chrome. Swiping, no swiping. These bitches be stealing my tones. Stealing the charts type of shit that